nails or the chamfer foil, you can use this look. Like say if you don't have a lot of collection on the chamfer foil, for gel polish, if you're at home, here's something you can absolutely do. All right, cure for 30 seconds on these nails. Hi Vanessa. Polish, hello, hi Sugi. Thank you so much. Oh, Janessy, thank you. I'm so glad you love them all. Just like a different, like I would do, it's not like all whole set. Yesterday we got to see Sarah did this really cool and stunning set. I really like it, like whole set. But this is like 4 different, like for instance, 4 different sets. So for instance, if you're doing 2 rings finger in this look, right? The rest of them you can do gold color for your clients. If the clients are fans of like Gucci's, so you can do that. Or you can do all chamfer foil on 10 nails. Or this one, you can do black on all the nails except 2 rings finger or rings finger and index fingers. This is a 4 different set. I mean, I just put it all together, but 4 different sets you can do an option for. And this one, you can do this clear. Today theme we're doing like have a glass nail for the clients. So the clients want to do I don't know, should we do this one like that? Oh, I'm so obsessed with this. I don't know, however you want it. Look at that. I want everything in there. Just don't laugh at me, because I want like, oh wait, can I get all of them in there? Also, keep in mind if you want to, you can layer them. You can apply another layer of chamfer foil and layer them again and the different angles. So then you can have them double if you want to. Just want to make sure I press them firmly. Aha, looks good. Say transfer to the sticky pad. There you go. And if you're missing anything, you can always like it back up and doing it. I think it looks good. It transfer, you can see that. Great. So now, if you don't want it, you can leave it alone and top coat it and it'll be done. Here for 60 seconds, it'll be done. But if you want to doing some charms on it, I'm gonna put this cute little perfumes bottles right there, and I'm gonna using condensed glue gels. This is really simple for all of you who get the press on and glue on. Some of you already receiving it, which is awesome. I can't wait, and I'm so excited to see all your beautiful nails and creations. So I'm gonna apply it. A smaller amount go a long way because it's so condensed, so you don't need a whole lot, and it's so easy for you to control. It looks like a thick. Then see a little bit fur right here. I'm gonna take it off. And make sure you put the cap on right away. I never let it open, even throughout the live videos or with the clients. Every time I remember when I put it on, because within a lot of lightings around me, and it's gonna easy to get clear. Thank you, Sarisa. Okay, no wipe top coat. There's no wipe top coat, and on the top, floating on the top of unclear condensed glue gel, will really seal your charms, crystals, flat back, 3D, any like accessories will be staying on, or even Whimsical, Diamond Dust, Pixie, stickers. Oh, we're not doing any sticker or Diamond Dust Pixie today. I'm so excited to share because a lot of you were asking for this tutorial. You know, I don't know. You want to be in the middle? On the top. You can leave it alone like that. It looks super cute. Or, should we put on anything else on it? Just don't give me permission because I am going to put a lot of crystal on it. Just pretend that no, you don't need anything. Then I will listen. Vicky, say something. Vicky said, you never listen to me anymore. Okay, here is the designer. Bling it out. Oh my God, live ass. Do not start. Okay, so this, the collection is really stunning. I'm loving this one as well. It's really stunning. So it's come with different like bottles, perfume here, and there's a lot of different like flowers. You see, like, I think I did it last time. Did I do sometime? It was, and it's really is one of the trendiest, fun selling in the collection of metal art too. I don't know, live art, should I? Ah, that's it.
Yeah, I know you want. You know you want to.
Crystal always. Okay, maybe once, just one crystal only. But we don't want to cover this. A beautiful. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Must be some going on, seriously.
It's like every night now.
I know, we're next to the fire departments right here. That's it, everyone. That's all I got to crystal over here.
That's a lot of restraint.
Let me see if I'm doing it. It looks like crooked to me on the side, I think, because I'm gonna ask you to look it for me. Do you think it'll crooked? If you think like, because it's a little bit far away from me, it looks like a crooked.
Yeah, I'll turn this way a bit. The back, there you go.
Okay, because it's far away, like I don't get to see on the top of it, so I'm far away, so I just need to make sure that I don't show you crooked and like. But it's great thing about condensed glue gel and a no wet top coat, because you're not key at all until you completely like place it under the LED lamp. So you can adjusting it before you key it, so you don't have to worry about it's gonna be crooked or anything. If crooked, you can only adjusting it before. This is fun. It's really fun set, and then I can't wait to see your beautiful creation with this. And if you set like this, you're gonna really like make the client so thrilled. You can do like whole set like this, and then it's really depend on how you charge the clients. If this is a designer funds, and then with a work for transfer for all the nails like this, you can start the set from $75. Because if the client's getting a service done by you on the top of the new set with the design and stuff, it's gonna cost way more. So if you're doing that stuff from $75 or $85, depending on how fancy your clients want. Like my clients really love the fancy now, so then all this set, like I start from $75, and then they had 20 nails. But so a lot of you, if you don't want to do all 20 nails, and if you do 10 nails, and then you have your clients that are able to size it for you, you can have it 10 nail or 12 nails. So then that way they can have it fit perfect with yours, with their nails. But we have it 20 nails, so then you don't have to worry about if the sizing is correct for you. So this is beautiful nails. It's super cute now, and usually it's normally done, but because since we have the precision glue for past over 2 years, almost 3 years, I'm really pleased with this. I'm be honest, like my clients will be really even notice that too, because oh my god, it's so much better that it's not even catching on my hair. Like this beautiful perfume bottle here, it looks great, but it still have a gap right there and a cracks right there. I am going to squeeze just a little bit of my precision glue here, right? And then you don't have to squeeze a lot out at one time, you can squeeze it out and flash key it for 30 seconds, and then you go back and then you fill more in, because instead of flooding your crystal or the charms, I would do like really quick little at a time. Like I will fill it first and then key it and then come back and fill it again if I needed it. But I do not need to be sealed so much because it's gonna flood in your crystal. So I'm gonna key it for 60 seconds and it's now done. But then when after you're done, like have the clients run through their hair or like feel, you can feel, you know, if you feel it catchy right here, you can seal it more in and key it and it should be safe. Sometimes I even like secure that little pearls right here because it built in a charm. Sometimes it might stay and then sometimes it might not stay, because if the clients are catching it so hard, you know, I always seal like that. Great. Ta-da! Key for 60 seconds and that beautiful nails. So that is fulfills for a lot of you who are asking for that set. Besides, I'm doing on my nails, but this is a press on for the clients. My nails is weighing it, stay on all that. And that is from using the collection from both of this set. The number 32 fancy is designer, and I can't wait to do a lot of this. And you can do encapsulating, you can do just chamfer foil and applies on the top of the nails. If all of you like what I'm having right now, the clear powders liquid, and before that set I using a press on nails on my, it lasts over 2 weeks, and then I do clear and then applies all over using chamfer foil and all that foils over it. But for past several videos ago that I did it on my daughters, and we did both set, we did encapsulating and ombre with a powder on the nails as well. And then it's also, you can watch it on IGTV. It's really quick, easy and fun for all of you who doing liquid and powder. And also you can using it with the dipping as well. And I'm sharing with one of the way to do it, like have an ombre. So if you have a solid more chromes, you can using the ombre chromes on it. It looks stunning as well. So that's a two set. Set the 32 and 31, and also this set too. So if you've been waiting for it, we're trying to send all that email to all that clients that have been waiting. And if we miss you, please, if we miss you that we didn't send it to you, so please, you know, check it on the website and check them out for us, because if we miss you, we'll always like send the message to all the clients that we're waiting for and ask. So if the tacky like this, just tip and trick. If you're using it sometime with tacky and get a little bit of residue of the gels, so do not worry, just using a little file and buff it off. That's all you need, because I'm not gonna try to oh, it's from peel it off? No, I'm not gonna don't peel it off because it's gonna get that ooh.
The back look nice.
The back looks really stunning though. Look, it looks so cool. Hold on.
Say hi to Laura. Facebook. She's back to work in Indiana now.
Hi Laura. Oh, you're back working in Indiana now. Great. Awesome. What's in Florida? South in Florida. Well, in Florida here we are allowed to open it, but with a lot of like guidelines, safety guidelines, which is good. Okay, so we did like 4 nails today, but I have extra nails, so it make it like 5 nails. So your choice to pick whatever you want to do. I hope